Welcome to the operational instructions for the Halveon T-Stream Standard Multi-Use Temperature Data Logger. If you're interested in programming specific presets, alarms, or start delays, then please first consult our secondary tutorial video for our free software instructions before activating and recording on your multi-use data logger. Part 1. Inspecting the logger. To check if the device is ready, single press any button to activate the screen. If the display says ready, it means the logger has been activated and is ready to start recording. We can also see the battery status. In this case, it has full power. Part 2. Starting the logger without a start delay. If the device does not have a start delay previously programmed with the software, press the Start/Stop button for more than 4 seconds. The LCD screen will show directly REC, which means the logger has started recording successfully. Part 3. Starting the logger with a start delay. If the device is previously programmed for a start delay using our free software, simply activate the logger by pressing any button once. You should see the word Ready appear on the top of the screen. Then press and hold the Start/Stop button for more than 4 seconds until the round clock icon appears on the screen. When the clock starts flashing, it indicates that the logger has started successfully and will commence recording after the program delay time has finished. After the program delayed time ends, the device will start to record and the LCD will display REC automatically. To check if the logger started recording and says REC on the screen. After the start delay time ends, the device will commence recording and the LCD will display REC automatically. Part 4. View and monitor while in transit. To check the logger during the recording process, the user can press the View Mark button at any time to monitor the following items: the actual temperature being recorded, the humidity being recorded, how long the logger has been recording, the maximum temperature recorded, the minimum temperature recorded, the average temperature recorded, and the average kinetic temperature recorded. Part 5. Marking an event. The user can double press the View Mark button to mark an event at any time while the logger is recording. The mark will show in the report and the number beside the mark indicates the times that the logger has marked the event, 8 being the maximum number of marks. So, click once to view and twice to mark. Part 6. Stopping the logger. In order to stop the logger, the user has to press and hold the Start/Stop button for more than 4 seconds until the clock icon appears. Then release the button within 2 seconds to stop. The LCD will display Stop, indicating it has stopped recording successfully. If the logger has not been stopped manually, the device will continue to record the data until it is plugged into a USB port on a PC or until the programmed strip length is reached. Thanks for using Halveon Temperature Data Loggers. We hope to see you soon.